Hi everybody, it's me, Jeff. I'm here to show you how to do the listening and how to find your answers. So let's do it. Hang on 1 minute and then we'll get down to work. Okay, so what you want to do is here's the mouse. So go over to Modules and then you're going to click on Listening Practice. Click there. Then we'll do audio from our book, which is right there. So click here. Okay, so now you'll see this. So scroll down, click on Please Select, click on Workbook, then it says Please Select again. Now click on Unit 13, and then we want track number 46. So we'll click here, and then you can play it. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it's playing here. So this will be different if you're doing a mobile device. It will look different, but it should be the same thing. Now, after you listen and you write down your answers, what you'll do is you'll go back to Canvas. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go to Announcements. And then we're going to click on this right here. So I'll click here. Here are the answers. I'll click right there. And I'm getting a little thing that says here. So I'll click on this. And then I've got the answers. So there we are. All right, well, I hope you are all having a good day, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye.